Hey there, David from iOS Dev School here, and in this tutorial series we are going to build a drink ordering application. So in this case I have some coffees and some soft drinks. This is the ready application that we are going to build together. So just to have an idea what we are going to build, we are going to group all our drinks into some categories. You can choose as many categories as you want. I have just 3 categories here: some soft drinks, cold beverage like cold coffees, and some hot coffees. When the user clicks on any of the drinks, it opens some kind of detail view with a picture, the name, some sort of text about the drink, and then there is an option to add this to our basket and the price, obviously. Once the user clicks on it, it disappears and we can see that drink in our basket right now. So whenever we have something in our basket, we always calculate the total here. You can add another espresso there. And now we have 2 items there with total of €4. You can place an order. You can edit the basket. You can delete any item as if you want. Then you can see the empty screen here if you don't have anything, or you can place an order if you click the button below. And also we have this account tab, where the user can put his personal details, address, some mobile number for contacting. So let's say the shop, whenever he places an order, can know where to deliver it to. All right, and you can put the name. And some kind of mobile number, let's say, and then the button becomes active and I can just create a user. So the thing is that the user we are going to save locally in the keychain, so it's secure. Once the user is logged in, you have the updated button now, and also we can log out the user. The items that we are going to show in our menu, first we will start with some dummy data on our device, and once we are done with the application, the menu will be saved on Firebase, so the shop owner can update it easily and it will be real-time available on all other devices, so you don't have to update the iOS application to update your menu. And also we are going to save the orders on the cloud, so that the shop can, whenever you place an order, the shop can automatically receive this order and proceed with the order, let's say. The basket item is going to be locally on the device, so we begin with an empty basket, and whenever we add something, we again keep it local, and it becomes an order only when we place an order. If we don't have an local user and I try to place an order, it will show me an error that please log in to place an order. All right, so this is the ready application. This is what we are going to do. So stick around and we will continue building this application from ground up together.